Have you ever stood in your kitchen or living room, staring at a simple task that somehow feels impossible? A drawer that won't close, a stain that won't lift, a space that never stays organized no matter how hard you try? And you think to yourself, why does everything take so much effort? What if I told you that the reason isn't the mess, it's the method, and that there are smarter, faster, almost magical hacks that make everyday chores feel effortless, even satisfying? Today, I'm about to reveal the time-saving shortcuts professionals use, the same tricks that turn difficult tasks into simple, almost automatic wins. But before we jump into these brilliant hacks, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because you deserve a home that works with you, not against you. While you're working harder than you should, most people don't realize how much unnecessary effort they put into simple household tasks. We grow up copying what we saw, scrubbing, wiping, bending, rinsing, repeating. But the truth is, modern cleaning doesn't require half the energy we think it does. Today's solutions come from science, systems, and strategy, not muscle power. And when you learn these smart shortcuts, you don't just save time, you save frustration, fatigue, and mental load. This is where the real transformation begins. The 2-minute reset, your life-changing micro-habit. There's a reason successful people swear by micro-actions. The 2-minute reset is simple. Anytime you leave a room, take 2 minutes to put back what's out of place. Not 10 minutes, not 20, just 2. This tiny habit resets your home constantly, so clutter never snowballs. The magic? 2 minutes feels effortless, almost unnoticeable, but the effect is massive. You prevent chaos before it begins, and suddenly, your home feels naturally cleaner, with almost no work. Heat does the hard work. Stop scrubbing, start softening. Most people scrub stains using strength. Professionals? They use heat and moisture, burnt residue in pans, sticky grease on stoves, stubborn labels on jars. All of them loosen instantly with warm steam or a hot towel pressed on top. When you soften first and wipe later, the work disappears. No pressure, no scraping, no ruined surfaces. Heat is the quiet hero that replaces 80% of your effort. The zone cleaning system. Think like a pro organizer. Instead of cleaning by type, dishes, floors, laundry, clean by zones, like professionals do. The kitchen zone, the bathroom zone, the entryway zone. Why? Because your brain focuses better on spatial routines than random tasks. Each zone has its own flow, tools, and rhythm. Once you learn it, you clean automatically, not emotionally. You stop overthinking and start moving with purpose. That's what saves the most energy. The one-touch rule. End clutter before it starts. Here's a truth bomb. Clutter doesn't come from buying things. It comes from postponing decisions. The one-touch rule stops this instantly. If you pick something up, mail, a jacket, a snack wrapper, you deal with it once. Not move it to another spot. Not toss it onto a random counter. One touch, one decision, one action. This single rule cuts your cleaning time by half because you eliminate the root cause of messiness. Delayed choices. The miracle of pre-soaking. Let physics clean for you. You know what professionals do before cleaning? They walk away. Pre-soaking is the secret weapon no one talks about. Detergent plus warm water plus time equals effortless cleaning. Dried food in containers, grimy oven racks, stained clothes, cloudy glassware. Everything becomes easy when you let it soak. The molecules break down dirt for you. All you do later is rinse. It's not laziness. It's science working in your favor. The basket sweep. Instant room reset. Sometimes a room feels messy, but the mess is only small random items scattered everywhere. The fastest trick? A basket sweep. Take one basket, move around the room, and toss in every stray object. Remotes, chargers, hair ties, small toys, coins, receipts. Suddenly, the room looks 80% cleaner in 30 seconds. Later, sort the basket. This saves energy because your brain deals with one container instead of 27 tiny decisions across the room. Small changes, huge energy savings. When you stop doing things the hard way, your entire home transforms. Cleaning becomes lighter, faster, and surprisingly enjoyable. These hacks aren't just about saving time. They're about saving you from unnecessary stress and exhaustion. When your home works smarter, you feel lighter, more motivated, more in control. And that's the power of working with strategy instead of struggle. If you found these smart hacks helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more game-changing tips that simplify your life and energize your home. Remember, you don't need more effort, you just need smarter habits.